Hebes are versatile evergreen shrubs which range in size to little alpine species to quite big affairs. In their native environment, most originate from New Zealand. They're found growing in a wide range of habitats, from stony open ground and mountain slopes to grassland and even on the edges of the bush. Some of them are grown primarily for their foliage, which varies quite a lot in size and colour. And they're also grown for their small flaring tubular flowers. Now, there are some species in particular where the flower clusters are much smaller, and some of them, such as Rachiensis for example, form a natural dome-shaped habit. So that's ideal as a replacement for Buxus. Others, however, develop these very showy spikes or clusters of flowers throughout the summer. The good thing about Hebes is their adaptability. They're natural additions to the border. The lower growing ones are particularly attractive in alpine beds or rockeries. The medium and small ones do very well in pots and will offer year-round interest on the patio. Another good thing about Hebes is you can use them as hedging, and they tolerate coastal conditions as well, so very good if you've got a seaside garden. They flourish in sun or lightly dappled shade, and ideally the soil should be poor to moderately fertile with a neutral to slightly alkaline pH. Not quite fully hardy, they prefer a spot with shelter from cold icy winds in winter and avoid excessive winter wet. Easy and undemanding plants to look after. They don't really require any pruning, however they will benefit from a tidy up, so just to pinch off the spent flower spikes after they finish flowering, and any wayward or misplaced stems can be removed in early spring.